Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back, and it's been a long time, and I hope you guys are doing well. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. We hit 500 subscribers on YouTube channel, so thank you so much. But I have to say, I really don't care about numbers, and all I have to say, never put numbers behind your success. Just put feelings in work and keep moving, keep taking the clock, and everything will come on its own. Feelings and passion that just matters in your life, whether it's a YouTube growth, whether it's clients, job, anything. Just put feeling and don't care about numbers. This is it. It's really simple. So yeah, in this video I'm going to show you my room. This is where I spend most of my time over here doing a lot of things. I mean, my work, whether it's photography and videography, editing steps, all of the things I'm doing over here. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And I didn't spend that much money on this stuff, so but still I just love it. Just put a lot of effort to make it much attractive. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and I'm loving this. So yeah, this is how things looks like. I mean, you don't need those premium stuffs to at the beginning, at the start. So you have to start with those tiny stuffs, with those small things. You have to go on and keep moving. So yeah. And yeah, this is it, and I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, the next thing belongs to Samsung Galaxy S10. I got the Samsung Galaxy S10, and I just love that phone. I'll be checking that phone in the next week, and I'll be doing a lot of stuff with that phone, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys like it, and I'll catch you next. Peace out.